Hey, what's up? My name is Kevin. I am the helpful hero here to help you leverage the awesome power that is HubSpot. Today, I'm releasing Clean Pro version 76, and I want to share with you a brand new module which we're introducing into the Clean Pro theme that I am personally very excited about because it has to do with video, which obviously you know I love. There's also been an improvement to the Magic module and VersaCards that I'm going to kind of walk you through so that you can know what to look for once you download this update. But let's check out the newest module, and that is a new video playlist module, making it really easy to utilize native HubSpot video and basically create a playlist that will automatically rotate to the next video in the playlist. So essentially, as this video plays out, it'll automatically switch to the next video in this list, or someone can just come and click on these videos. It's pretty cool. I'm really excited to start utilizing it for my own website and to make structuring a lot more of these tutorials in my video tutorial page even easier. So I'm excited to see how you might utilize this as well. But let me go ahead and show you a quick couple things underneath the hood. So if we go over to the CMS and we pop this open, you can see here that first and foremost, if you wanted to give it a title, you certainly can. And all you would need to do is come down and you can add as many videos as you'd like. So if we just pop open one of these videos, it's literally as easy as giving it a video title, and that's what's gonna control what shows up right here. And then simply upload videos to HubSpot to have these populated. Now, it's important for you to know in this version of the module, we only support HubSpot native video. So YouTube or Vimeo or Wistia will not be included in this release. So anyways, HubSpot video is pretty awesome. I would highly recommend it anyways. Of course, with this, if you go into the Styles tab and we click down Video Playlist, you can add the background color, you can switch the little scroller here to dark mode versus light mode, depending on how you have your background set, as well as control a lot of the spacing. Now, if I actually just put this in normal mode, you can control the spacing here and things of that nature. So it should give you pretty good control over this module, at least for this first version release. And I'll be excited to see if you have any feedback or how you would love to see new features added to this module. So definitely click that little feedback or submit ideas if you do have any sorts of requests. Now let's move on. I'm gonna jump over to this page right here, and we're gonna talk about the ever popular VersaCards module, which is growing to be one of my favorite modules next to the Magic module. You'll notice here, one of the new features that we just added was this ability to have a next button, so that if you have a page that has like just a gazillion different VersaCards in there and the pagination gets wide, now it's gonna cut off at page 5 and you can simply click next and then previous to cycle through. Awesome improvement. Next, and last but not least, this is just a minor improvement to the Magic module and the form content element. So right now, if we click into the Magic module itself and go into that content element right here of form, the one little tiny feature that was requested by Melissa, by you. I'm calling you out because it's an awesome feature. And what you can do now is you can simply select override email notification, and then it'll allow you to select specific people within your HubSpot account to send the form notification to, just giving you a little bit more fine-grained control. So again, thank you so much for that improvement request. I really value all of the improvement requests, ideas, and cool things that we can continue to make Clean Pro the #1 most awesome theme for the HubSpot CMS. With that, I'm out. Enjoy this update, and the end of the year is approaching. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? It's just wild. It's wild to me. I'm sure it's wild to you. All right, I'm out. Have an awesome weekend.